Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to protect your Excel file with a password. This method is very useful for protecting your data. Okay. Let's get straight to the point of the video. Pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps. Here I have prepared Excel data to use as experimental material in this video. And I will lock this Excel data with a password. Pay attention to this small arrow to follow the steps. Okay guys, that was how to protect your Excel file with a password. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click subscribe, and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.